Australia thonau zamna miyambu Mami Mapao gi tarani thodak so episode asida taram nokcheri. Impact bigi so asi mityeng tabiri ba pumna makpu nolukcheri. Mahusagong asisu entertainment world gi tongan ba Mapao kaya puduna lakcheri. But first of all, thank you so much to all the fans and followers of Mami Mapao. Mami Mapao gi mamangi 11th suba episode ta miyam gi comments, suggestions amadi appreciation singidamag thagacheri. So asi hena phajaba hena mapung phaba so ma oihanna ba honabada adom gi support yamna changi. So folks, please keep supporting Mami Mapao. So dear subscribers, Mami Mapao gi tarani thodak suba episode asida Mami Mapao na kari karamba Mapao sing pujarak libage haibadu ahanbada thamsake. Ningol mayam gi showcase ama ahanbada midyeng tambinasi. Ani subada Global Sappers Manipur gi Fagi Unplugged ki Mapao ama. Ahum subada movie release ki pauda mama midyeng taminasi. Mari subada thamjariba asina movie song release amagi Mapao ama. Thamjari manga subada music release ki Mapao sing. And finally aroiba oina taruk subada we have the musical extravaganza Liklang Parade. Wangkai Mantri gi Sinai Lechel hits the ramp with renowned faces, actors, actresses and models. So let's have a look from what Tanjung has to give from the event.
Well, tonight, all the exciting activities are gathered in one place. Music, entertainment, fashion, and of course, beautiful models and celebrities. This is Sinai Lechel, a very special fashion event by Wangkai Mantri Handloom. So let me take you to the highlight of the event.
Sinai Lechel haiba mingthon ga loinana Wangkai Mantri gi handloom products singbu thek nauga nau ningthina changkholaba model kyana leiting laduna akhanaba fashion fair ama tha sigi haukiba taramari thangja numitta Wangkai maihofam lampakta pangthokre. Raj and began a putoktuna pangthokliba khanaba thauramasida iramda masigi maihorol digi hauna chen tharakliba iyong sinaibi singi tangkak naiba sentha paringbusu miyamda khanghanaba hotnari thauramasida Health and Family Welfare Law amadi Art and Culture Minister L. Jayant Kumar MLA Haikam Dingo amadi TH Satyavrata ga loinana ining thaulai semasana jawba marina thauramgi leiting oiduna sarkyaki.
Well, here we have the designer of the event, Mr. Mantri, Sinai Lechel's designer.
Tasingna thangnaki onimit anida nongni nusi tawba khoi ising thumba kya ama mayok na khibsida khoi yamna wa ki stage ki chot pa khot pa degi stage khalaudaba nong ta dana tasalapa khodokta adubo ngasidi nungsa kaw saraga la ibamyam je khoi gi thajaba gi wangmada haitare khoi lambi bo pham laita mangkhai langpo jai masimodi yamna harauze.
Ngasigi design singju akhoi yengjabadu yam namak phajai adugi matek phajai akhoi maitai gi fizol ngakta su oino oi aduga ngasigi main oina event sigi credit chidi kanada pibini.
Tasingna main sigi maru oiba credit ti aibu tapi tak birakpa agi helum sida mai ne na khoi event bok mayam je lekai sigi lamdam sigi pisabi makhoi gi mateng yaudana ngasigi event je pangthokpa sungom ngomoi.
We have the biggest dreams of all the actors of Manipur. That's showstopper of tonight's event, Sinai Lechel, Miss Tontoy.
Sinai Lechel haiba maming se dum tab the special oire adna atopa special karamba oige haibasi haibam khangde haibadi tawriba event sida tholiba maming se bang adum special oire ai wakhanda akhoi gi oiba dress tadi ai fanek na fanek shed pa duga fi in ba nupi gi sida akhoi maitai nupi go iba top pa beauty ma aduga top pa hek mapana chatpa du so akhoi na sum chacha ba ganda jo fanek shelaga fi ma illaga na choma ma thelaga chatpa matamda akhoi gi unique oiba podam ka Pitrivi ki mapam atai da uda ba masagam ka koi aduna sigi dress e ina swam na pamje aduga ai mapanda chatpa matam da so hai tare hoi comfortable oibagi akoina atopa dress makhan mayam se taraga so akoina kidang kainoma tholak ba kanda di ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯅ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯅꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯆꯣꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯅꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯅꯥꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯇꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯖꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯅꯥꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯏꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯈꯩ ꯐꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯥꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯂꯚꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯏ
तसेंगना सिनाई लेचल असि अखोई यामना मपुंग फाव फैशन शो मने हाइनिंगे मणिपुर की हैंडलूम प्रमोट तौबदा नतना सिदा मयाम अमा अखोई मॉडल अखोई अरीबा हाइतारे अखोई अरीबा मॉडल सु अनोबा मॉडल सु मयाम पुल्लगा याम नुंगाइना सरुक यामिनरी
Hi guys, we have one of the biggest dreams of all the models in Manipur and also a very talented actress in Bollywood. It's none other than Miss Lin Laishram.
Thank you so much for a lovely introduction. I am moi ubade am tina harawe ka they're so beautiful, they're so tall. I've never seen any
So tall.
Yeah, of course I saw them. Some of the girls were taller than me, so it's exciting to see such a incredible amount of talent and beauty coming in together and working with them because I've been here for a decade. I started in 2007 and this is 2017, so practically it's been a decade and it's amazing to see these new talents coming in, and I'm very excited that they are taking their career seriously, not as a thing that you just do it for a period of time and you just get done with it, but seriously and pursuing it in a very serious manner. That makes me very happy.
Okay, from 2007 to 2017. So is there any changes you see?
Oh yeah, hell lot of difference. I see them that they're more professional, they're more designers, they're more choreographers. I see the stage, lighting, music, the clothing, obviously we have come up leaps and bounds, for a small state with 28 lakhs of people. And we're really small and we have produced like an amazing amount of fashion and talents and even sports for that matter. So yeah, it's really nice to see.
Hi guys, we're with one of the most successful model of Manipur, one of the senior model, Miss Pratima.
Well, I really want to say something about the models of Manipur. Girls, you don't have, especially I'll talk about the girls, okay? So girls, you don't have to feel bad that the girls of other state or maybe other cities, we don't have to feel down. I've been to many shows like Delhi, Bombay and all that. So it's the main thing is we don't have the opportunity actually. So if we get the opportunity, it'll be we can explore actually. And look wise, it's really good. And being a notice model, it's really a good chance. In India, people are looking for an oriental face actually. So it's a great chance, and we need people's support actually. It's not only about here, but every state and every cities, they are facing the same problem. But I think it's more in our state. People started thinking she's a model, okay, she'll be like this, blah blah blah, and it's not like that at all. So people, please change your concept. It's not like we are, I hope you guys better know about what I'm talking. So please change your concept, that's it.
Khaifi Mantrina Sinbiriba si Ningol Mayamgi Manipur da khwaidagi chawba event amani haibada haimanda thokloidaba thorama amani. Next, we have Fagi Unplugged, a new initiative of Global Sappers Manipur at Imphal Evening. Let's have a look.
Imphal Evening gi manung channa World Economic Forum the affiliate tawraba Global Sappers Imphal hapna sinlang duna Fagi Unplugged haina mingthonba Fagi changdamnaba amagi ahanba audition gi round October gi haukiba tang 13 thangza numitta Imphal Evenings Kanglapatta pangthokre iramdam asida ahanboina pangthokpa atangma makhagi changdamnaba sida maming leiraba nokfade gi producer Thaudam Rohini Kumar Saknarba actor Gurumayum Boni Sharma Madi Global Sappers ki curator Elizabeth Okram ahumna judges ki famfam langda lensin bikhi
अंग्रेज सरकार की हुकुम सही कि हल लगनिया सकती है बत की नती है तो अंदर की है पक्वान से सारे को मत अंदर अकी बगी सरसी मत याव तो मैं आप सिर्फ दिन ले ना यहाँ पे सी एंटरटेनमेंट तो लॉय का मी हम दिन थोड़ा Club Jalan, mana sih bangga bukan, ni perantan. Aduh lah, pergi TV kita, pergi kameramen juga. Aduh lah tadi, tahu ya dia mau tahu juga. Tahu kan dia jadi. ISTV, Impact TV ki mamang dane. Thata padi, unsing ada. Hongkong nam di hari ni tolan nang bo. Aduh dah tadi dah, boy dah tahu misalnya tu dah dah. Kamera mama tak ada thari ubah tu bo. Aduh dah tadi bo. Tolan.
Masigi Fagi Unplugged asigi jury oina laibiriba akogi one of the best comedians of Manipur Mr. Boni Gurumayam ga hafet interaction mate ama tawjage daboni asigi Fagi Unplugged haisibu karigi matang do oibarabano aduga jury oibase ngasi bawrgi response participants ge kamai tawge hafet thambiram
Fagi Unplugged se Global Sappers Imphal hariba akogi group sina haidare akogi Imphal Evening sige khudong chaba haidare masida akogi tongan ba stall ma'am ama chaba thakba yam nungaiba entertainment gi keno ma nungaiba keno sida environment sida yam nungaiba thorom ama ham na ba attempt do bani Global Sappers falna ada yam nungai ri de mase angta tawgi driba koina thengna driba haidare Fagi Unplugged audition oina sida audition ni hujik tawri se audition sida Fagi pamjaba Fagi gi talent skill lairaba Fagi gi gun chen ba Fagi gi platform thiriba artist sing youngster sing inkhalak ni bana harol sing loina na sida yes category leite apam ado magi hidden talent haigadra akogi exposition ama tawna na magi gateway ama ado magi platform ama pina na ba haidana Global Sappers Imphal na sin mageno ne ado hojik ngasina han mahubani
ado ngasi audition sida successful oigraba yagraba mi sing dugi tung oiba ke haitare mogi prize haigadar adu gumdi kari laibige kudong sa
hojik Global Sappers Imphal na si audition je tangkak amani haidare moina sabsabadi akoida haidri tangkak khara audition dawraga audition da pass tawra sing dugi amuk akoigi competition ama yamna mapung bhaba competition ama akoigi mapan gi triple x daga tawriba adu magi type haitare adu ngale aina sum khanbada moina tawra audition pass tawra sing ase competition noina moi thengai na bagi potuni ase
ge hena chawba event ama
lakadori chawba event ama lakadori
Manipur da sumba ma thorok pase akoi gi di amna nungai ba matam ne haya nang ya sukoina le pase sugumba nungai ba bayang hak tholaga nungdang do pathaba leita dana kayang wana yumda television kha yeng ama kha tau nungai ba kaim ta phangdang le pase hojik moi sumai tawdana nungdangi naiki hotel ne number tholoktana mayam gi pothabong oi am thagasai.
Okay, there was a highlight of Huggy Unplugged organized by the Global Shepherds Imphal Hub. So this is the first time they are organizing the event, so anyone who loves to do the stand-up comedy, you know where to come next time. So this is Tenzing with cameraman Somorjit, and you're watching Mami Mapao.
Global Shepherds are indeed shaping a new way for young talents to exhibit their passion for performance, and we hope to see more. Next, as always, we have news of new movie releases hitting Manipur, as it's the end town of Northeast India. And we have Mandalay, Mathil, Mitlu, Chakobatu and Hinghat hitting the screen.
Mandalay Mathil haina mingthonba Manipuri digital feature film ama chatliba tha sigi haukiba tang tara taretta Manipur State Film Development Society gi holda haunabi matungina release tawduna miyamda khudol tamkhre ita entertainment production gi banner makhada Gitarani aribamna puthokliba film ase Home Sorina lamjing lamtakli loinana photography amadi editor gi thaugaina Sanjit Excel na lauri English singani tara mangada Cine Writers Guild Manipur na sinduna pangthokiba National Level Manipuri Film Script Competition da Second Best Film Script ki mana fangkraba Sivdas ki wari da yumfam oiduna pankhatliba film asigi Sairol Singh Ranjit Ningthaujana khudol tambaga loinana Jiten Kumar Nauremna Saipali Pushparani amadi Umananda Maibam anina saisak tamliba feature film asida Gokul amadi Biju anina maroiba mamiroi oiri Herozet Narabungi Wari Sairol amadi screenplay da Gyanesor Konjengbamna lamjing lamtaktuna Mitlu haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film ama haunabi matungina tha sigi haukibatang tara tarukta MSFDS ki holda premiere show tuna miyam da khudol tamkhre Fongdoktana thamoi nungda lot sinduna thamba nusiba maike onan chen kiba nusigi ichen kathok patana masaruk oiba makhal kya gi nusiba gi matawda yumfam oiduna pankhatliba film ni Mitlu Tonia Haibam na Saipaliba Rajelangbam amadi Pusparani anina saisak tamliba film asida Pinky Tenthana song visualization amadi editor gi thaudang lauri Focus Films Manipur gi banner makhada ahan boina puthokliba amadi Dinesh Moirang themna khudol tamliba film asida Gokul Bala amadi Soma ahumna maroiba mamiroi sing oiri
Siri Siri Mahaprabhu Achawa Films production ki banner makada Mari Relation haina mingthon ba Manipuri feature film ma H Debananda madi Rani Sharma anina khudol tamnuna haunabi matungi na usa cinema da October gi hauki batang taranithoi amadi tarahumdoi da miyam mang da fongdokre maibam bangkim na wari editor amadi direction gi thogai lauduna universe na puthokliba film asida Khaidem Imogi Sairol da AK Yangoi amadi Rani Sharma anina saisak tamli loinana eki yangoi masana saipali kadi karamba maribu oirigaba khangnabagi damak miyeng tabiyo irom ibom chana camera namagi thaudang lauriba loinana universe thanpui ratan lai amadi raju na maruiba mamiroi sing oiriba Mari Relation
Ibudau Kangma Ningthau Film Production ki banner makhada Hinghat haina mingthon ba film ama Kiran Koizam gi wari amadi lamjing lamtak makhada pankhatuna October gi haukibatang tarahumdoi da haunabi matung ina premiere show uttuna miyam da khudol tamkhre Film asigi cinematography ki thaudang Kiran na lauri editor amadi VFX ki thaugaina Aisomani na pangli Film asida Thengbaizam Swaran Kumar amadi Rakesh BR anigi mayekni RK Birendrajit na saipanduna Swami Kumar Linda amadi Vidyarani ahumna saisakloi sen oiri Dayasor Anjali Homen Kiran na chingba kayana maming tatabada tuzumlaba film asigi mamiroi sen oiri ꯏꯪ 2013ꯇ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ 2 ꯅꯣꯡꯊꯣꯝꯕꯝ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯗꯛꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 18 ꯗꯤꯋꯥꯂꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯍꯧꯅꯕꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯎꯁꯥ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯤꯌꯔ ꯁꯣ ꯎꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯅꯥꯇꯣꯟ ꯅꯣꯡꯊꯣꯝꯕꯅ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯤरिꯛꯁ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯣꯒ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯁꯨꯔꯖꯤꯠ ꯕꯤꯕꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯁꯅ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥꯇꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯊꯥ ꯄꯥꯡꯂꯤ ꯂꯤꯟꯊꯣꯏ ꯆꯅꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯩꯍꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯕꯤꯕꯦꯛ ꯑꯂꯤ ꯆꯣꯡꯊꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯩꯄꯥꯂꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ RK ꯁꯨꯔꯖꯤꯠꯅ एडिटरगी थौ पांगली थोइदोक हेंदोकना लेबाक मियाना सखंगलबा गोकुल अमदी आर्टिना अनीना मरुओइबा ममिरोय ओइरिबा फिल्म असिगी प्रीमियर शो उत्पगी थौरमदुदा फिल्म फोरम की चेयरमैन एस मंगोलजाव डायरेक्टर्स गिल्ड की प्रेसिडेंट बिजगुप्ता लाइश्रम अमदी सीनियर आर्टिस्ट धनमंजुरी सगोसेम अहुमना मथंग सिटना थौरम की मयाई तांगबल अथोइबा लेंबिरकपा अमदी अखनबा लेंबिरकपा सिंगी फिदा सिंगदा लेंसिन बिदुना थौरम मपुंग फाहनबिखि.
Anyways, let's take a short break and we'll be right back.
Housing for All by 2022 mission PMAY CLS Urban Amadi Gravin gi makhada hanana urban area khaktamak subsidized home loan gi khudong chaba pijarambadu hojikti rural area gi supai kachare lupa lakh taruk fawgi loan amount ta interest rate 8.6% per annum EMI lakh amada lupa chani pan ga homtra mari urban area gi oina interest subsidy asi lupa lakh ani ga lising hom putare ni amadi rural area gi oina lising kuntrani pani zero processing fee oigini regular home loan lupa lakh taruk tagina lakh yankhai fawbada interest rate ase 12.5% per annum ni hena kupamarol gidamak Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited ki head office uripok amadi branch office singda lengsin biraklaga khangbiraba yagani terms and conditions apply khanganjariba Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited.
Welcome back again. Amukahan na Mami Mapao da taram nokcheri. Well, we have our tinsel town to give us non-stop movies to entertain the public from their tiresome routines. Next, we have movie song release from the upcoming movie Aruba Ichel. So let's take a look.
Kunailon Films production ki banner makhada puthokadaba Aruba Ichel haina mingthon film gi isai sing October gi hokhi batang 18 da classic grande da haunabi matuna miyam na fongdokre Zenita Singhana puthokliba madi O Gautamna lamjing lamtak liba sahek sing asi Lorembam Amarjitna saipali isai ohna lechaloiduna sem liba film asigi isai sing release tawbagi thorama da Minister Thongam Bishwajit Film Forum ki chairman Samjat Chaba Mangol Jaw madi Minister Nojam Sam Kumar Galoinana Saknaira Bakayana Thauram gi Laiting Oiki.
Aruba Ichel is a movie under the direction of O Gautam. We again have a dual music video release of the handsome and hot Mr. Araba with 2 tracks hitting us, Thamoy Ani and Midlupiram.
Hi guys, we're at the function of music video album release of one of the greatest hit song of Manipur, Thamoy Ani. One of the most viral song of Manipur, Thamoy Ani, sung by Miss Surma Chanu, is finally going to be released as a music video album directed by Mr. Azit Nikhauza. So at the spot of the event, we'll have a quick sneak peek of the event.
S3C Ibudau Marjing Films ki banner makhada Thamoy Ani haina mingthon ba music video album ama October gi hokhi batang 19 da miyam fongdoktuna khudol tamkre Azit Nikhauza na maha ki sairol da editor amadi direction ki thodang lawduna puthokliba music video album asida Rahul Blue na saipali amadi Surma Chanu na saihek tamli Araba Laiton Jamamadi Pepe Laishang Tem Anina Sakam Langduna Sangitan Puthokliba album asida Mohon Kanglana camera number gi sintha pang bagaloinana VFX ki thodangna Biju na lawri
Director adagi producer gi di ekoi na khoi pamjabadi artist anu tholpase ekoi di promote tauba moi amana amu mahu chelakpa adagi amu ari ri bana amu smaina hadi amu moi gi matam yauraga amu hadi potha giba adon artist anu lakpase ekoi da di phone ning badi am phawai aigi site gi di aigi album sina asina asidi handak di phajani asina hit orani sina top 1 ta ni adagi tantha da adagi da YouTube ta sina viewer ya mani habadu di aina haiba ngamoi asidi babongna ekoi gi timbu nungsibiba adagi artist anu tholokpada moi da thongna hapiba hadi support tawbiba aduga akoina sumaina akoi masen support tawnaraga miram da leiba singna su akoida usitabagi changse hadi moina su hadi hangoi ba sengna ga di aduna akoi lairiba fan mayam ko aigi fan mayam adagi mai gi mayam akoi gi punna whole team gi fan mayam na su adagi viewers sing na su akoi bu support tawbiu
Thamoi ani have isai je han de yam hit chala lay de kun mayam na jam pam naraga si yam maming yam layra ba isai amada act taw wajida nervous chatpra kamaina sigi di kaile
si nervous chatpadi chatle haidi hana already fall lera bane aduna hoida isai je tho matung da kai public na kai haikadagi haiba film di taw
honong dam badagina hojik phause adi marak ta jam hit chatpa lai gredana sida kitang improve isa da yamna improvement la ena khanbra aduga kitang haibiram
sada haibidi experience improve ti lai hana haidi hek aham bai gi debut ta tawgiba actuga ade hojikna atopa khara da yaujaba khaga phangjaba sida experience adum improve ti oje hajani
wadagi awaba haidare khwadagi yam luna tawgiba film da oiro kai oiro karamba oine maming ka tang thambiram
ekse taw matam da thaw yauna bu tawtadi adum nuai aduga awaba chu yawe haidi ekse akoina taw matam da kai haitare tawning ba thabak to tawba ngamak tawa yaw matang chu yawe ba aduna film da oiro adai music video da oiro adum di yawe akoina haida ko experience ke chu laitri haidi nauna thokchar ko oibni na ga
Introducing the young, beautiful and talented actress of Thamoi Ani, Miss
Ahan ba oina hang da mati ama yawe adudi haidi aingonda su yawni su khangidaba aduga experience ko imta leite aingonda adu chumne gi mati khatang ni kaina haiba gi khitang yawgi budo adu asisi na gi ahan bane hang da yawru baga mayam sina asnang album kum mo khologa na hayo ka dai aingonda su dum khara kumning bagi dum kumning ba phau budo khara adum
Tangi album contract ano budi laibra kari kari da uba phangani pepe se
album se ama namba hogre kaino ojit ka paraga topa isai amagi ama namba hogre topa gidi laitri
So the long-awaited music video album Thamoi Ani is already released and you can tune in and watch it in Tantha. So that was all for the event. So this is Dancing with cameraman Derek and you're watching Mami Mapao.
Nira Arts ki banner makada black and white na kudol tamduna mitlu pirang hai na mingthonba music video album ama NZ Ango production na miyam na kudol tam krei laikhidraba iu kora tombi da kachaba album mase khaidem imogi sairol da biso chanambam na saipanduna amadi surma chanuna saihek tamduna pankat panei direction amadi editor gi thaugai su NZ Ango na lauriba album ase urikimbam Ramesh na puthokli loinana Nira amadi arab laitonjam anina sakam langli
Araba, as we all know, is growing up in his career as an actor, and we hope to see more of his roles. Finally, we have the annual musical show Liklang Pareng, hitting Manipur in this Ningol Chakoba, so let's have a look.
All Manipur Women's Volunteer Association ki 28 Foundation ga mari lainana hanging mun na putok chaba Liklang Pareng. Ozik kunu mamangda leba Chandrakiti hall at Sathazari. So with the highlights of the event again, this is Liklang Pareng.
Sambayadi tara piradi dumiyai yai 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 dumiyai selbu piradi dumiyai yadabalite yai selbu piradi yai yadabalite yai selbu piradi yai yuyon bathinge hai selbu piradi dumiyai yai 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 dumiyai selbu piradi dumiyai yai 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 dong 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 yai 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 selbu piradi yai 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 yai
ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯊꯕ ꯃꯤꯍꯥꯠ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯠ ꯄꯅꯩꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯤꯁꯥꯡ ꯁꯤꯠꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association ꯑꯃꯣꯕꯥꯒꯤ 19 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯄꯣꯛ ꯀꯨꯝꯑꯣꯟ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯂꯤꯛꯂꯥꯡ ꯄꯔꯦꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯡꯊꯣꯟꯕ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯦꯂꯦꯁ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖꯥ ꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯀꯤꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯝꯗ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 24ꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫
All Women's Volunteer Association gi President Ima Wai Kunjrani gi mafamda wahang khara gatang thamjage. Ima ngasi pangtholiba liklang pareng hairiba thauramase sigi main theme se kari no mayam dam ta khangan se.
Manipur se akhoi community mayamna punna khunda minaba lamdamni na akhoi gi asigi akhoi amawhana sinjari ba liklang pareng haina thonjari ba isai no mai gi thauramase akhoi gi Liklang habadi akhoi lei pareng mayam makhan suna leisan suna masu mayam na lenga kanda semba lei pareng amakha maming logjara kanda akhoi iramdam masi akhoi jingmi tami Hindu Muslim punamak na khunda ba lamdam ni haidana akhoi liklang pareng haba maming se mingthon se thonjara kanda akhoi amawbhana akhoi sahi gi oina sathajaga daba thabak thoram singda akhoi sumaina miyamdagi fund drive taunabagi mateng logjaba oina akhoi liklang pareng aina mingthon jaba isai nomai gi thoram ase sinjabani aduga emobana sangjalakpa thabak thoram singda akhoi hoji nupi singda chatharakliba crime against women adai sahi taruk tangai ba angang adai disabled soina haiba faobada saisida sathara iba miot minei se akhoi thingnana ba akhoi awareness program mayam ama sathajadana akhoi tawham thokpa mayam punna yan taminana ba akhoi nupi nupa moren mangthara iba se masi akhoi thingnana ba hotna ba da akhoi punama hotna minasi
ishagi laipham aruba mitoki maming on khale leifam ni nani sagai bi
Malim na lairipa laibara sanagi thamba satpara
Satpadi lamdamado Manipur
Sale taibang sa hey sale taibang sa ole sa ole sakti paiba
Manipur gi saknairaba female artist singer mayamna yamna pamnarabas artist singer Suma Chanu mangondagi sungasigi event sigi matangda kari wakhal leibage habadu mayam punna khangminasi Suma Mami Mapao da taram nokse.
Thank you.
Ngasigi event liklang pareng hairiba safe crime against women hairiba thimakha da satharise sida as a singer aduga isana tawriba thabak sigi profession sigi matung inna mayam da message kamaina spread tawbiningi mayam da kari wakhal lon thambiningi habdo kitang thambiram
sai kuding yam chauna sigi event ja pangthokro lai ko Manipur da leiba nupi sing punamak si yamna awang ba thak amada pukhatna ba leiba khoi artist sing gi su chauba platform am pibi bane ba event sida leiba nupi sing si thoiba crime sing sigi mathak sida kamaina thoktana ba kamaina hotna sigaina to kimatik event sibu shiliba organization yam to kimatik yam kan hone karamna Manipur se leiba nupi sing khunai sing de leiba thana yeng biba khotpi ba sikma mayam si amuktang hanthana yeng bidana ba Manipur mayam sida yokhat pinaba nupi sing sibu
performance se utpi garba kamai
utri ai wali kitang wali sei se ngasigi oinadi moina choose tawbirakpa isai anau bangak toina saadi ngasigi oinadi sei matem tang sage koi yam noi bai sei ni agi ibung binoranjan oina ma ki lyrics amadi chongtham Vivek Ali ma ki music compose makada sakeba isai yam nauriba isai amaka matem tangai kang charke ka mangau thida ibungo ningol thawai oibo marau leiba ibungo ningol pukning hubo
Tancha sala chukiba nungole nungole nushiba nungole 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 nushiba nungole 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 nushiba
Laizudagi hena singna binangi Misna duna kari pakongu challi boy koyum kanana sabano nuksi binangi sa
Lai hui ki ningthina changkholaba iram damasi gi tongan tongan ma furup cha singi marakta apun ba liching nama sagat na pandam da thauram ga mari leina BS hidang gi mayek ta pankatpa sayau isaina yamna ching lemna thauram hogdokhi Mangka Pusparani Surma Susmita Sangita Vidyamani Chitra Sadananda Ranbir Thauna Sori Shenzam Nauboy Bobin AJ Maishnam Asina Chingba Iram Damasi Saknai da Saisak Loi Singna Tilliba Miyam gi Pukning Sumatlaba Sayek Kaya Lanthoki
Hoy mayamda isay oina su pangthokpa aduga isay sige manungda puriba aikhoigi nunggi oiba wakhalon mayam ama su leitabdi nate nupi oibisingna adugi mati aikhoina phije sakcha haibasta han boina ina men thamanjaningi phije sakcha phajarba matamda aikhoina si crimes dagi aikhoina khara makhaidi phagadra haina khanjai aikhoina chadaba firon selaga chatpa matamda lambi sorokta mi auba singna nupa singna kari khangini haibadasu aikhoi maitai nupi amoina maitai gi ijat ngakna maitai nupi di matam pumna magta maitai gi oiba adugi mati society sida chatnaba miyo mayam ama lei adu suloi mangangna chalanjaninge mapanda leire haiduna su aikhoi gi chatnabi se kaukthokpadi phatti haina khale ai wakhanda society chatnabi se kaukthok mayamda tawbidana ba haidi section na khoi phije chakcha sepina ba mapalam da leriba mi singna su aikhoi bu usitna ba haidi e maitai nupi di sumai to ba yadabani ko moidi haibagi karigumba ama ai khoida phahon na bagi damakta maitai macha amagi ijat ngakna leiminasi haiba wafam si thamje
Vertigo, Lintigo, Sibin, Sakdam Se.
Laura Chama Kaimagu Nuksitiro di Naumi Nuka Tabalegi Lainamgum Aishu Kamoy Husagi
Nangi Mahosagi Punoga Namjuri Pusingaya
Masi pangtholiba event asinasu mayamda aidi masigi nupi da ot naidanabagi akogi message kaya ama adagi miyungi wakhalda ningjang hanba haitare sei ya de kote adagi mayamsu lauri adagi henjui hengalei da ayoiba wakhallagi kadai digi lakpa apaiba wakhallon no haitare hujik iramda masida nungti gi nongmakangdana nupa na su nupi da otpa nupi na su nupi da otpa adagi otpa sida ko maroina is masidai helise nupa na nupi otpu budi ko nupi na nupi otpa sina khra hen brain khalle kari haidu no khoi isai sajak pawe na mayamda message pijabe wani mayamna nusibidu na haitare ko loksan biragadi gyan dadrawa pangna leraba apumba wakhaldo madu hogatna ba haitare khoi social organization mayam leri hen hena akanba thabak sing lokhot biduna musumna ba mi wakhaldagi phukto oga pukhina ba haitare phatra ba wakhalon ase phukto oga pukhina ba mayam su kan hona biu akoi su kanna laujage animation film koi kabi koi ba haiba animation film du yagi be sei ni sei ji maru haiba wakhalon di mioi ba se yam ason ba mi oina leramaga natraga isam chamna normal oiba isam chamba mi haitare mi gi wakhalon chen ba isam chamna leramaga mangwanda power natraga shakti natraga phawgalak pai tare mai power la akanda ma si kadai de horokno natraga aisi afaba mayam ma tawni haina khalamaga su ngasai magi money power adagi magi sangagi matang power mayam duna mi se khogi sa olokpa ado mi oibada chatharoidaba thabak mayam ma torokpa adu wakhaloni kabui ko sa hai
Shakti pai ba miyoiba Shakti magi napalna Mitta misaure Certo charingi oi wisa sa dong chargai hi tu chok tak lagai wisa sa dong chargai hi tu chok tak lagai manam suat suat namduna koi na tira ki sole taiwan sa
Liglang Pareng, as always has been and attracted many fans and lovers of Manipuri Matamisay, and we hope to see them again next year. Best wishes to the team. Well, dear viewers, that's all we have in this episode of Mami Mapao. Hope you liked it. Mathangi episode tasu tongan ba ano ba entertainment gi mapausing amuk pudo na lakchake. But dear fans and followers, do send us your feedbacks at www.facebook.com/Mami Mapao. Thank you for watching Mami Mapao. Goodbye.